This is day 2 of Thea. Having Thea.
You're a good girl, Riley.
Yep. One
She
day.
can't reach your guys' food, don't worry.
I just have one question.
Be nice, Hope.
Can I have Thea when I'm over 26? Hello, viewers. I don't know if it's going to go.
Hey, Addie. Be nice. You don't need to pull on her paws.
Just pat, pat, pat.
Yeah. Say good morning, baby. Good morning.
Yeah, besides, we have 2 babies in the house now, which we're about to have 3.
Yeah, be nice. Be nice. Addison, be nice.
We're about to have 3
Go pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Oh, puppy, puppy. You can't be biting. Yeah, no biting. No bite.
Hey, viewers. There's actually about to have, there's 2 babies in the house, but we're about to have 3 babies.
Ah, be nice.
We have Addison,
Pat, pat.
1
Pat,
years old.
pat. She'll get ya.
Thea, 6 weeks or 7. I'm just gonna say,
Be nice.
the one Destiny's belly.
Be nice.
So, if
She gonna get your fingers. Hey, Addison.
you end up like Buzz Lightyear,
You got pat, pat.
don't
Pat, pat.
like Buzz Lightyear.
Pat. No, Addie. Be nice. Ah, no. You pat, pat.
She thinks it's funny.
'Cause she's a baby. You're okay.
I know Addison's to the spot. It's her belly and her armpits. 'Cause that's the most easiest
No,
spot.
pat, pat.
It's the easiest spot to put a baby.
Pat, pat. This is gonna be a lot of work. Hey, out of the mouth.
Means Thea,
Here.
not that
No,
much of a work.
no.
Addison, lots of work with Thea.
Thea's gonna be a lot of work.
Why?
Because she's a puppy.
I thought puppies were easy.
No, puppies are not easy. Where's Hope and Riley? Where's Hope and Riley? You're fine. You good girls. Yeah, you good girls.
Only if they're strong. Besides that, I can't push me. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that I'm just.
Hey, easy. Be nice. No bite. No bite. Hey, no bite.
Don't end up like, please don't end up like Buzz Lightyear.
No.
On the one hand.
No. Be
Please don't
nice.
end up-
Be nice.
Alright.
You wanna eat?
I say Ashton and say house. And me and Soma,
You okay, baby? You be nice.
Well, you guys didn't tell me, did you?
Your dad didn't tell me either. You found out seconds before I did. Hey, 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 no. Pat, pat.
Rub.
Pat. You pat, pat. Yeah, you got pat, pat. See, pat, pat, pat.
I don't know why she keeps saying jump on.
She's hyper.
Yeah, she's hyper.
Ah, be nice.
How old is
You
it?
can't push on this one like you can the other ones.
How old is this one?
You said 7 weeks?
6 or 7 weeks.
Yeah, dog. Yeah, she's kind of the closest to what I'm used to. Don't trip her down the steps.
Well, Addie, you have a little dog. You have a doggy now. Hey.
Puppy's gonna chew on that. See? Puppy's trying to chew on it. You gotta take care of that. Yeah.
Hey. You be nice.
She's like, I was just pushing it. Oh. Might chew on you. Oh, she's giving you kisses. You better protect your unicorn. I think she's claiming Addie. Pat, pat, pat. Yeah.
I think this one likes me. I don't know.
Be nice. Hey, no, Addison. No. No. Yeah, hi, Riley. Just a puppy trying to play? Puppy probably wants a drink. Yeah? No. What are you looking at? Bonjour. You got the ball? Too bad the puppies don't play with that one, do they? Neither do the big dogs. No. No, no. Yeah. A little update of what's been going on for us. We've not had internet for a good few days now. And somebody came out today to fix it, but they could only fix part of it. And so they're coming back out tomorrow to fix it the rest of the way. So it's been a bunch of just movies, swimming, and playing with the puppy. Not necessarily all bad, but baby monitors don't really work. Can't just play some music. All the things that we require internet for. It's crazy. These two are doing fairly well. It's a constant having to watch both of them. What? This? What'd you eat? What'd you get?